have to bend down, and then you're supposed to like shake your butt, but I can't shake my butt, so I just go. Like, I can't do it, alright?
You have to put your hands on your knees and just go back and forth.
They're going to make I'm telling you, I have vertigo. You have to go like this.
No. No, you don't go in a circle.
Yeah, you're not doing it. You just, like, go. Action. I'm scared I'm going to make myself sick.
You won't. You just move your butt back and forth.
You just move your butt. Who's going to see this?
No one you know. No one you know. My mom, maybe.
Hey, it'll be on Facebook tomorrow.
No one you know.
Come on.
How do you know? Because, like, I know we're showing it. That you don't know. Now everybody's looking, see. Now they're always a minute. We had to ask strangers. Come on, Ronnie, do it with me. Do it with me.
Yeah, do it. Do it.
Do it.
Couple twerk. Couple twerk.
Do it.
Couple twerk. Hey, April, will you twerk? Will you twerk?
Get them to twerk first.
Twerk.
Do it.
Y'all can have a twerkathon.
I'm just scared of my head going crazy. Hold her head while she does it. Okay, bend down and just like, okay, it's gonna make me, if I fall
No, you don't move your head, you just kind of like.
Yeah, I do it wrong. See, now everybody's looking. No one's looking. Live life, have fun. They're looking.
Come on, you can do it.
You got it. I'm really worried about my head.
It won't hurt it.
It won't. No, it will. You don't
No.
understand. Have him like hold your head. You demonstrate. Come on. You just bend down if you go. I can't do it. Okay. It's for some friends who are really sad right now with everything. Look at your blinged out phone.
Yeah.
You gotta do it. You can do it with me? Yeah. Do it with me. Ready? You gotta have time. Okay, I have to